1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. This car was actually sold new in northern Iowa and it's been in the same area ever since. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC compressor kicks on and off, but we did not have it blow cold. May need a little TLC there. Consigner said announce it, price it accordingly. So that's what we're doing. You'll get a good look at the front grille, chrome in the bumper. Of course, bug shield has been installed previously. That would be removable, by the way. It's just a matter of a few bolts and a couple brackets. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Has the Chevrolet Motor Division spoked wheel covers. There will be a car label. It is called, it's similar to like a window sticker that comes along with this. It describes exactly how it was equipped from the factory, and that will be in the still pictures. This is actually silver metallic. The interior is dark red knit cloth. We're going to get to that in just a bit. Paint shows well on the car. Is it perfect? No, you may find an imperfection here or there, but for a 1974, you can see, looks awful nice. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side at these long panels. See, the panels are nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It did come with the Landau top from the factory, black vinyl. Looks like we got a little bit of paint peel kind of up at the top of that. Top of the roof does show its age a little bit as far as the paint, but it does still have a nice shine to it. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's a dark red knit cloth interior, very stock looking dash, AM radio. We get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. As you can see, the rear filler panel is needed. Those age and kind of get brittle. See that, very common. Chrome in the rear bumper does not look bad. Remember the good old days where it didn't matter what side of the gas pump you parked on, because the fill was right smack dab in the rear middle. All right, once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Minor powertrain seats, common car that's driven, and this one, get in it, turn the key and go. Could use a coolant flush. Front pads will need attention sooner than later. Tires do show their age. They would need a little attention sooner than later. So that's, like I said earlier, it's one of those where it's on consignment. Consigner said announce them in the video and description, what it needs, price it accordingly, and next owner can save a few bucks, do it themselves, or if you want to work something out in the deal and have it fixed before it's shipped out to you or you pick it up, that can be done too. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see up and down this driver's side. Paint also shows well. Nice shine to it. All right, let's go ahead, check out the interior. It's nice looking door panels. Good shape, and again, that dark red knit cloth. Also in nice shape. Carpeting looks good. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Odometer reads 61,055 miles. I cannot confirm or deny if that's original. Once a vehicle is a certain age, the miles are not recorded on the title. It just is marked exempt. So would it surprise me if that is the original miles? No. Take a look at the dash. How many times do you see a mid-70s GM where the dash isn't cracked, especially where its speakers at? It doesn't look like this thing has sat out in the sun a lot. Should we check out this radio? No, it doesn't appear Check radio is in a easy fix with another stock one or an aftermarket install. Long door closes nicely. Those hinge pins aren't bad. Let's listen. Could use a new tailpipe and clamp. Not bad though. Tell you what, little TLC. Go a long ways on this one. Good starting point. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's see if I can get this hood by myself here, one-handed. There we go. Didn't know if I was going to get that one-handed with the camera in my other hand or not. AC Delco battery replacement. Battery disconnect. It appears all the AC components are there, and like I said, AC compressor kicks on and off. Just did not blow cold, maybe needs to be recharged. Power steering, power brakes. 350 small block shell, pretty stock looking engine bay. These are always popular body styles here at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Kind of a pewter paint color with burgundy interior. This steering wheel has no cracks in it. It is in very nice condition, as is the rest of the dash and interior. The seats, the door panels, the headliners all look very good. There is a bug deflector on the front of this car, which could easily be removed. The blower motor works. The radio does work, however, the knobs are very sensitive. We have a speedometer showing a little over half of a tank, the fuel gauge I refer to. The speedometer is showing 50 miles an hour. Here we have a generator, temp, and oil light that would be lit if there were any issues, and there are not. The clock is operating as it should, showing the seconds passing by. Nice, smooth ride down the road. The luxurious 70s with this bench seat. Cloth bench seat, front and back, very comfortable. Kind of like taking your easy chair down the road. Two-door vehicle, as Monte Carlos were. Brakes nice and smooth. Those sports style mirrors on the doors. Blending luxury and sport. Monte Carlo kind of did that. Corners, well, a little luxurious in the corners as the 70s were, but excellent power steering. Just put your foot down and go. The automatic transmission shifted on the column, doing its job. It did kick down there. Take a look at all the pictures inside and out of this Monte Carlo at uniqueclassiccars.com.